Good Monday morning, everybody. I know, I should say you know just as well as I know, that it's been dry lately. The lawns are showing it. Everything outside that needs water is showing signs of not getting it. And, of course, it hasn't been getting it. We had the third wettest spring on record with 22.5 inches of rain from March to June. That's really wet. And after having that, everyone probably would have thought, hey, it's going to be a wet summer. Yeah, I don't think so. Look how the tables have turned. In the past month, we've seen only about 1.33 inches of rain, which is nearly 3 inches below what we should see. We're still ahead on the year, technically, but that doesn't really matter. You need the rain when it gets hot, and we haven't been getting it. We have one chance tonight as a front slides south with some thunderstorms, and I do think we will see rain tonight. I think everyone gets a storm tonight to try and at least get some moisture in the ground before this really hot week coming up. I'm sure you've heard the news by now that it's going to get hot around here. And if it doesn't rain tonight, then we're going to have some issues by the end of the week, because the next chance of rain is not until mid-next week. So hopefully we can get some storms tonight, because later this week, especially Thursday into Friday and including Saturday as well, high pressure just sitting right over the Tennessee Valley, pumping in high heat, high humidity, and the area is stretching up from our area down through, say, D.C., Richmond, into North Carolina. We will be approaching that 100-degree mark. And, of course, that's hot. Future temperature shows today highs in the low 90s. Tomorrow, though, after that front slides through, we'll top off in the mid to upper 80s, actually, so a little bit of relief, and that actually takes the humidity off. But then heat comes right back by Wednesday, back in the 90s. Here's that humidity index. Looking ahead to humid conditions today. Tomorrow, uncomfortable seems to be a good way to call it, but Wednesday it's humid, and by Thursday it'll just be downright oppressive, almost all the way up on that index. Hot weather safety tips real quick. Stay out of the direct sunlight if you can. Drink plenty of water. Light-colored clothes reflect that sunlight rather than absorb it. Try not to do strenuous activity outside, and keep cool. Go to air-conditioned places. Overnight tonight, a few scattered thunderstorms, otherwise mild and muggy with lows in the 60s. During the day tomorrow, a stray afternoon storm still possible. It'll be hot, but not quite as humid, 86 to 90 degrees. And on the exclusive BP Weather 5-day forecast, here we go. 89 for Tuesday, not terrible. Wednesday, hot, humid, 92. Thursday, 95. Friday and Saturday, upper 90s, high heat, high humidity, and look at the overnight lows. Upper 70s. They don't drop much below 80, so you'd think, ooh, maybe we'll catch some relief in the morning. When you walk out for the paper at 6 a.m., it's already going to be 80 practically. That's a look at the forecast. Stay cool.
Summer in the city, back of my neck getting dirt and gritty. Been down, isn't it a pity? Doesn't seem to be a shadow in the city. All around, people looking happy, walking on the sidewalk harder than a match. But now it's a different world.